Hello, this is Colorado Explorers. Come along while we're camping. We're going to be fishing, kayaking, four-wheelering, so much more. Join us on this adventure.
Good morning, Dallas here with Colorado Adventures. We are finally getting ready to head out camping. Headed over to Tin Cup and area. So finally, after a very busy spring and summer, we're getting ready to take off for a bit. What, Tess?
Am I sitting up front?
No, it's in the back. Xander's all ready to go.
We're all ready.
Well, one of the problems with mountainous driving and tight roads is stuff happens. I don't know if it's an accident or just road construction, but we've been sitting here for a good little while and traffic is just now starting to move. So we're back, getting ready to go back and get back on the road again. Ian thought this would be a good place to fish. We would have basically had time to stop and fish, but we didn't know what happened, so we are leaving Cumberland Vista and getting ready to head up over Cumberland Pass. Most are sleeping and enjoying the ride. We are getting up close to Timberline. We are coming into Taylor Park. Back there's the reservoir. Xander and Ian are already dreaming of fishing.
Who's already there?
Oh, we're headed up. Getting close to our campsite. The road is rough.
What is that? You said that. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, I guess we can make
Oh,
we can make
some people in there already, but we'll got plenty of space, it looks like.
Dad, look, a wheeler, a six.
Alright, we made it up here and got camp set up. It's just a gorgeous day. Ian's having fun riding his bike. Oh, we're working on getting some food around and settled in.
Hey, this is not Dad.
Is the deer up there? There, Ron. Let's see if we can see the deer. There it goes. See it? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a deer over there. There it is. far we haven't seen any moose or any elk. Just deer. And a beautiful evening. There's 2 deer down there. No, that's deer. But one has antlers on it, I think. Maybe not. We're coming into the town of Kentucky here. Teepee's right back there. Ah, what a beautiful morning. Had a little bit of rain this morning, so getting a late start, but it cleared off nicely and getting ready to get our day started. We got some eggs and bacon and stuff cooking on the grill. And getting breakfast ready here. Xander's out shooting his gun. Alright, we're getting ready to head up to the lake to try some fishing. See the waterfalls up there a little bit? Yeah. Hey, Xander, let Ian reel it in. Hey, reel it in, Ian. Ian got a fish.
Yay! He got a fish. Ian, your first one up here. Oh, I see it. We'll go eat Ian. Keep on reeling.
Reel it.
You're reeling.
Keep on
reeling.
I see the bobber.
Me too. Where's the fish?
Where's the fish? I see the fish.
Where?
Right there.
Oh,
whoa!
Wow, you caught a big one.
Hey. Stand.
Wow.
Reel it in.
Oh, wow.
Reel it in.
We're going to be eating that one tonight.
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
You sure? That's just a baby one.
Hey, we could still eat it.
Hang on there, buddy boy.
It's slippery.
All right.
What kind of fish is that?
It's a trout.
Oh, trout?
Yeah.
It's first trout. Dad, can I throw it in? Oh, I wish I could.
There you go.
What's that?
There he goes.
Bye, Fissy. My first fish.
Yeah. All right, Tessa had a fish. Guess it let go. Xander has one on.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, that's a baby one. Look at the baby one.
Got it. Hey, trout.
Xander has
a fish.
Xander has one on.
Ian has electric bike.
Ian has electric bike.
Just reel in slowly, Xander.
My dad's on it.
He got off.
He got off.
Dad, where's my bobber?
You keep back and got it.
Dad's open it.
Oh, the fishing's died off a little bit. I haven't caught one for a little while, but Tessa has one and playing with her bobber. It's been pushing. It won't quite bite it, but it'll push the bobber just all over and not quite get it enough to bite it, but it'll just be playing with it. The kids think no camping trip is complete without this hammock set up. It's probably one of the most enjoyed things on our camping trips. It can be hard to find 3 trees just right to put it together, but they do love it. It's evening time, and a couple more people have showed up since this morning. My sister Jess is from Georgia is here, and Dad's and Trav's and Tanya are here so far. And we're making supper. Since we can't have a fire, we have cooked versions of hobos, so trying to do it in Dutch ovens. Well, we are heading up to the lake to look for some elk. Oh, we're up here at the lake. The gorgeous sunset. Uncle Leslie is teaching the kids how to take pictures of flowers. Look at those views out there. Down the valley's where we came from. See the road down there. Up there's the pass that we're headed for. That's this Cumberland Pass up there. We are at the top of Cumberland Pass, in between Pitkin and Tin Cup. That's absolutely gorgeous out there. So we ran up to the top, kind of a little ridge up here, just above the pass. Maybe we should try to go up there.
No, let's not. We're good.
We left the kids with Mom and Dad, and Emily and I, and Trav and Martha and Jess and Sean decided to go on a little four-wheeler trip.
Go over the edge. I could like hardly look down. I was just like.
Came up this little trail over here.
I was like, oh, and nobody would know.
It is morning, and we are headed up. We are headed up to go fishing. And here we are at the lake. Oh, what a gorgeous day. All right, Xander got one on. Reel it in, Xander.
That's a big one. That's mighty big.
Hold it.
Is it big enough to eat?
All right. Zoe has a fish on. Reel it in. There you go. All right, Tessa thinks she. Oh, there she has a fish on.
Yes. Everybody's catching fishes. Everybody's catching fishes.
Here, swimming away with your. All right, here you go. Reel it in. Tessa has a fish on. Whoa, look at it go. Hey, hey, don't pull quite so hard.
Okay. Oh.
Keep reeling.
What?
Yes. You don't want to pull the lure out of its mouth. Xander, where's your... Xander? Whoa. Ah, pull it in. Whoa, good job, Tess. There it is. All right. Look, Xander has one on. Hang on. There you go, help him. Just hold it, Tess. All right, Xander. When it's, Day, tighten up your drag. All right. Now try that. Try that. There we go.
I got one.
Xander has one on. Oh, does Pop have one on? Oh, Pop snagged. Oh, look at the baby fish. All right. Xander has another one on.
I guess I see it too. Zoe!
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Ooh, that looks like a nice one, Xander. All right, so just swing it up here. No, yep, just swing it up here.
Oh, yeah! That's a good one.
The lake is pretty high right here, so the trail going up around the pass has a pretty deep spot. Some dirt bikes were going through it. They made it. But we're done fishing. We had fun. They kind of quit biting. So,
Kayaking!
and Xander wants to go kayaking. So
Well,
we're
I
gonna,
want to go kayaking too. I'm going to kayak with Cinder.
we are headed out to the reservoir. Taylor Reservoir. We spent some time on the lake, no fishing. Well, we made it down here to the reservoir, but it ended up being a little bit of a trip. They had went down over to that beach first, but we couldn't get four-wheelers down here. We drove all over trying to find a way to get out there. And then we ended up here. But Xander and Tessa are having fun on kayaks. We're kind of out on the reservoir beach. And it's kind of, everybody came down to enjoy it. Where we going? Xander? We are out here kayaking. Ian wanted a kayak ride, but I know his life jacket's pretty big, so we're just staying really shallow. And Tanya brought these little kids kayaks. And Xander's having a ton of fun with them. Zoe's having fun too.
Hey! I'm having a blast. Me too. Thanks for watching Car Explorers. Like and subscribe for more of our videos.